Hey everyone, welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and well, today I am attempting to cold start my car when it's god-awful cold outside. So this is my 81 Mustang, it's covered in a bit of snow. I have not started it, it is plugged in though. And let's see how this goes. So, ooh, there we go. A little tight. Oh, like frozen and everything. Oh yeah, no, fun times. Fun times. Like I said, will this thing start? Yeah, I'm not too sure on. So right now, it is like minus 35 or so. I'm amazed that's still on the windshield, but let's see this. So, basically, we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, it started! That easy! Wow! I'm impressed. I am very impressed. She's not happy. But wow, that started. I might stall though. Now that is amazing. I swear, I did not start this car. I have not started this in a couple of days. Wow. That's impressive. Well, okay. I did not expect it to go that easily, but it did. So, thanks for watching. And, yeah. Cold Start Challenge, Alberta, 2023 Winter Polar Vortex. Peace out.